Gentlemen, if you've recently retired or you're approaching retirement, I need to share something crucial with you. The first year of retirement is when most men experience their steepest decline in masculine vitality, energy, and sexual function. This isn't a coincidence. It's a predictable biological response to one of life's most dramatic transitions. After working with thousands of men over 60, I've discovered that retirement creates 5 specific challenges that systematically destroy male vitality. But I've also developed a precise 5-day routine that addresses each of these challenges systematically. Day 5 is when you integrate everything you've learned, and the results often exceed what men expect from such simple techniques. I'm Dr. Amara Cruz, board-certified urologist, and today I'm sharing the complete 5-day system that helps retired men maintain and often improve their masculine energy, vitality, and sexual function. This isn't about accepting decline, it's about engineering your best years. Working with men who've successfully navigated retirement while maintaining their vitality has taught me so much about what actually works versus what sounds good in theory. If you're finding value in these research-backed approaches that can transform your retirement years, I'd love to connect with our global community. Drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from, whether you're in a quiet suburban home, a bustling city, or perhaps enjoying retirement in a completely new location. Your engagement truly motivates me to keep sharing these life-changing strategies. And make sure you subscribe. We'll explore so many more ways to make your retirement years your strongest years. Now, before we dive into the 5-day routine, you need to understand the 5 retirement challenges that are silently undermining your masculine health. Challenge 1. Structural activity collapse. Your body goes from structured, purposeful movement to random, minimal activity. Challenge 2. Social isolation intensification. You lose daily colleague interaction and professional identity. Challenge 3. Routine disruption syndrome. Your circadian rhythms lose their work-based anchoring. Challenge 4. Purpose vacuum creation. Without professional goals, your brain reduces motivation hormone production. Challenge 5. Partner proximity overload. Constant close contact can paradoxically reduce romantic tension and sexual anticipation. These 5 challenges create a cascade of biological changes. Testosterone drops, circulation slows, motivation decreases, and sexual function declines. But each day of our routine targets one specific challenge with precision. Day 1. Monday. Movement reset and circulation revival. Monday addresses structural activity collapse, the most immediate threat to your physical vitality. The retirement trap is replacing structured work movement with completely random activity. Your body loses its rhythm, your circulation patterns change, and your muscle memory for purposeful movement fades. Day 1 reestablishes movement structure. Here's your Monday routine. Upon waking, perform the 5-point circulation check. Stand and stretch your arms overhead for 30 seconds, then bend forward and touch your toes for 30 seconds. Step in place for 60 seconds, focusing on lifting your knees to hip height. Do 10 gentle arm circles forward, then 10 backward. Finally, take 10 deep breaths while rolling your shoulders. This sequence reactivates your circulation after the weekend and prepares your nervous system for structured activity. Perform this immediately after getting out of bed, before any other activities. Next, implement the purposeful hour. Choose 1 hour between 9 and 11 a.m. for structured activity that mimics work-like focus. This could be organizing a space, working on a project, or learning something new. The key is sustained attention and mild physical activity combined. Your body is programmed for structured activity cycles. Without them, your hormone production becomes erratic, your circulation loses its patterns, and your energy becomes unpredictable. Monday reestablishes these essential patterns. Common Monday mistakes. Don't make your activity too intense initially. Don't choose activities that create stress or frustration. Don't skip the circulation check. It's the foundation for everything else. Day 2. Tuesday. Hormone optimization and testosterone recovery. Tuesday targets the hormonal chaos that retirement creates. When you lose your work schedule, your hormone production loses its timing cues. Cortisol, testosterone, and insulin production become erratic. Tuesday reestablishes hormonal rhythm and optimizes testosterone production naturally. Your Tuesday protocol starts with strategic morning protein. Within 1 hour of waking, consume exactly 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein. This could be 3 eggs, Greek yogurt with nuts, or a protein-rich smoothie. The timing is crucial. This protein provides your body with the amino acids needed for testosterone production when your natural levels should be highest. Follow this with the testosterone lifting protocol. Perform 15 minutes of resistance activity, focusing on large muscle groups. If you have weights, do squats, chest presses, and rows. If not, use bodyweight exercises, push-ups, chair squats, and wall push-ups. The key is controlled movement with muscle tension, not speed or high repetitions. Complete Tuesday with the evening wind-down sequence. 2 hours before bed, eliminate all screens and bright lights. Dim your environment, drink herbal tea, and perform gentle stretching. This signals your body to prepare for testosterone-producing deep sleep. The science. Testosterone production happens primarily during deep sleep, but only if your body receives the right nutritional and activity signals during the day. Tuesday's routine optimizes every factor in this process. Tuesday, mistakes to avoid. Don't consume protein with excessive carbohydrates in the morning. This blunts testosterone production. Don't make your exercise routine exhausting. Tired muscles reduce hormone production. Don't compromise on evening light reduction. Bright lights suppress melatonin and testosterone production. Day 3. Wednesday. Stress management and mental clarity. Retirement anxiety and mental fog directly suppress testosterone and sexual function. Wednesday's routine targets stress reduction through 3 focused techniques. The worry window. Set aside exactly 20 minutes mid-morning for focused worry time. Write down every retirement concern, then close the notebook when time ends. This prevents all-day anxiety by containing it to a specific outlet. The clarity walk. Take a 30-minute outdoor walk with structured focus. First 10 minutes, observe environment without judgment. Second 10 minutes, reflect on one positive retirement aspect. Final 10 minutes, plan one small improvement action for today. Gratitude reset. Before bed, write 3 specific daily gratitudes. Be detailed. My knee didn't hurt climbing stairs, rather than just health. Why this works. Mental health directly impacts sexual health. Better stress management equals stronger erections and higher libido. Day 4. Thursday. Relationship dynamics and intimacy enhancement. Retirement dramatically changes relationship dynamics when couples suddenly spend all day together. Intentional separation. Create 2 hours of completely separate activities on Thursday. This isn't rejection. It's relationship hygiene that creates space for missing each other. Appreciation. Expression. Give your partner one specific, detailed compliment about something they did or contributed today. Counter the familiarity contempt that develops from excessive togetherness. Interest cultivation. Spend 30 minutes engaging with something your partner enjoys but you normally don't. This maintains curiosity and novelty that attraction requires. Physical anticipation. Plan specific intimacy time for evening, but avoid casual physical contact during the day. This builds sexual tension through anticipation rather than constant availability. Thursday's principle. Retirement can make relationships too comfortable, reducing the tension that maintains attraction. Strategic relationship management preserves romance and sexual connection. Don't feel guilty about separate time. Don't fake interest in partners' activities. Don't treat physical anticipation as manipulation. Now, here's day 5, the Master Reset Protocol that can reverse years of decline when performed correctly after the previous 4 days of preparation. After 4 days of systematic preparation, your body is ready for the comprehensive protocol that resets masculine vitality. The Master Reset Protocol begins at exactly 6 a.m. to align with natural testosterone peak. Here's the complete sequence. Complete breathing. Reset. Lie flat with knees bent. Breathe deeply so only your lower hand moves. Pattern. Inhale 6 counts, hold 4. Exhale 8. Repeat 10 cycles. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system completely. Total muscle activation. Starting from toes, systematically tense and release every muscle group. 15 seconds tensing, 15 seconds relaxing. Progress from toes to face. This resets muscle memory and activates dormant nerve pathways. Mental clarity. Visualization. With body relaxed, visualize yourself at physical and sexual peak for exactly 5 minutes. This creates neural pathways for physical manifestation. Integration. Challenge. Stand, look in mirror, make 3 commitments for maintaining vitality. Say them aloud with conviction. The complete protocol takes 45 minutes and should be performed in privacy. Men report immediate improvements in energy, confidence, and sexual function that continue for weeks. Repeat the 5-day cycle monthly for sustained results. After 3 to 4 cycles, many establish new vitality baselines naturally. This requires the preparation from days 1 to 4. Never skip the foundation work. The 5-day retirement vitality routine addresses the unique challenges that retirement creates for masculine health. It's not about returning to your 20s, it's about optimizing your current potential and preventing the unnecessary decline that many men accept as inevitable. Retirement can be your most vital, energetic, and sexually active period of life, but only if you actively engineer it that way. This 5-day routine provides the engineering blueprint. If this comprehensive approach to retirement vitality was valuable, like this video so more men can discover these transformation techniques. Subscribe for weekly content that addresses the real challenges men face during major life transitions. Comment below with just one word, committed. I want to see who's ready to implement this complete 5-day system and experience the Master Reset protocol for themselves. Retirement doesn't mean decline, it means opportunity. 5 days of systematic action, one Master Reset protocol, a lifetime of maintained vitality. Thanks for watching.